Welcome to our English learning channel. Here at English Clouds channel, we're dedicated to helping you master the English language one lesson at a time. Practice speaking English as much as possible. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. In this lesson, we'll see vocabulary of sports. Soccer, also known as football, is a team sport played between two teams of 11 players with a spherical ball. Basketball, two teams of 5 players each try to score points by shooting a ball through the opponent's hoop, which is mounted 10 feet high on a backboard. Baseball, a team sport in which two teams of 9 players each take turns batting and fielding. Tennis, a sport played either between 2 players or 2 teams of 2 players each, who use rackets to hit a ball over a net and into the opponent's court. Golf, a sport where players use clubs to hit a small ball into a series of holes on a course in as few strokes as possible. Cricket, a bat and ball team sport played between 2 teams of 11 players each. The game is played on a circular or oval-shaped field. Hockey, a team sport in which players use sticks to hit a puck or ball into the opponent's goal to score points. Swimming, a water-based sport or activity where individuals move through water by using their arms and legs. Athletics, also known as track and field, is a collection of sporting events that involve running, jumping, throwing, and walking. Cycling, it involves pedaling to propel the bike forward and can take place on roads, trails, or designated cycling tracks. Boxing, a combat sport where 2 opponents wearing protective gloves engage in a contest of strength, speed, reflexes, and endurance. Volleyball, a team sport where 2 teams of 6 players each try to score points by hitting a ball over a net and into the opponent's court. Badminton, played on a rectangular court divided by a net with points scored by landing the shot clock within the opponent's court boundaries. Table tennis, also known as ping pong, players use small rackets, often made of wood and covered with rubber, to hit the ball back and forth. Squash, the objective is to hit a small rubber ball against the front wall in such a way that the opponent is unable to return it before it bounces twice on the floor. Skiing, there are various forms of skiing, including alpine skiing, downhill skiing, cross-country skiing. Snowboarding, a winter sport where individuals slide down snow-covered slopes on a single board, known as a snowboard, attached to their feet. Surfing, known as a surfboard. Surfers wait for a suitable wave and then stand up on their board to ride the wave towards the shore. Skateboarding, a sport and recreational activity where individuals ride and perform tricks on a skateboard. Rowing, a water sport where individuals or teams proper a boat using oars. It involves synchronized movements to navigate and race on rivers, lakes, etc. Canoeing, kayaking, a water sport where individuals or teams paddle a canoe using single-bladed paddles. Sailing, water sport and recreational activity where individuals or teams navigate a boat using wind power captured by sails. Martial arts, practiced for self-defense and physical fitness, include karate, judo, taekwondo, kung fu, and Brazilian jiu-jitsu. Fencing. The objective is to score points by making contact with the opponent's target area while avoiding being hit. Weightlifting, a strength sport where athletes lift heavy weights in a series of specific movements. Archery. Participants aim to hit specific scoring zones on the target from varying distances. Can be practiced indoors or outdoors. Bowling, a sport and recreational activity where individuals roll a heavy ball down a lane to knock down pins arranged in triangle formation at the end of the lane. American football, 2 teams of 11 players each. The objective is to score points by advancing the ball into the opponent's end zone. Handball, a team sport where 2 teams of 7 players each compete to score goals by throwing a ball into the opponent's goal. Polo, 2 teams of 4 players each attempt to score goals by hitting a small ball into the opponent's goal using long-handled mallets. And now let's take a test. Read the definition and guess the sport. Basketball. Tennis. Golf. Swimming. Boxing. Table tennis. Serving. Sailing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up. See you in the next video.